Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Bear-Eberhardt and I'm going to take just a minute to show you how to create a Dropbox in your Carmen course. Start by logging in to Carmen at carmen.osu.edu and click on the course in which you want to create the Dropbox. Once you're in the course, click on Content and it will take you to this page. Select the module in which you want to create the Dropbox. Once you're in the module, you will see the name of the module at the top, add a description and other features. But to create a new Dropbox, you'll click on the New button and select New Dropbox. Here you will want to create a title for your Dropbox folder. Okay, you've seen that I've entered in a title for my Dropbox folder. And here I will want to provide my students some information and instructions on this particular assignment. Once you've added your instructions in, then click Create. Once you are on this page, you will see that you have several options for creating the parameters of this assignment. If you click under Options, then you will see that you can tell Carmen whether you want to allow the students an unlimited amount of submissions or if you only want to allow them to submit one time. The automatic completion option just lets the student know that it was submitted. You also have manual completion option. Where the participants decide when they're done, or no completion tracking. And that takes away a lot of options. I suggest the automatic completion option. You want to leave this as the defaulted published unless you do not want students to have access to this. However, if you make it a draft, the students will not be able to see it, and you will have to remember to go back in and make it published once you want to allow this to be available to the students. It is much easier to set availability dates for your modules as opposed to changing the availability here. If this is a graded assignment, you should go ahead and click on Add Grade Item, so that way you can set this up in the gradebook. Here you put the amount of points that the assignment is worth, and if there's already something set up in the gradebook, you would see it here. If there's not, you can click the plus sign, which takes you to an area where you can create an item for your gradebook. Enter in the name of the assignment, and I advise that you name it the same thing as what you named it in the Dropbox. Once you've given it a name, then you go on to category. If you have established categories in your gradebook, you would click on the down arrow and you would see them. You can see that I don't have any. If you want to add a description, you can do that there, but you do not have to. And then at the max points, you want to make sure that you have it set as the same amount of points as what you just did on the previous screen. If you want to allow the assignment to exceed the amount of points that you just entered above, you can click the checkbox. Otherwise, the maximum amount of points available will be 100. Once you are done, you can click Create. Here you will see that Carmen automatically updated this to say essay number 1, which is correct since this is where it would go in the gradebook, and we'll click Save. We don't have established learning objectives in Carmen, so we're not going to do anything with that. And at this point, you are done. You've created your Dropbox. To verify this, you can click on Content, and you will see that you are already back into the module that you had established this in, and we see our Dropbox right here. You can also see where your instructions are immediately visible to the students, which is very handy for them, so they don't have to go in and open up yet another document just to get the instructions for the assignment. You can also see if I hover my cursor over the instructions, we see a little pencil appear over here. And that's good because if I clicked in this area, I can go in and modify my instructions here at this time and at any point in time, and then simply click Update. If you have any questions about creating a Dropbox linked to the gradebook, please do not hesitate to contact me or Joni Tornwall for assistance. Thank you.